Welcome to Florida Roadsters and Friends Reliability Run.
Good morning. What are we doing today?
Hey, good morning. This is Dennis Salmon, FLA Roadsters. Put together a little reliability run today. Got a couple of cars that showed up. Rain, unfortunately, was kind of hindering everybody. But we had a good breakfast here at Grills Riverside. And we're on our way to Larsen Motorsports, jet car dragsters. They're having a tour today. So enjoy the day, keep on cruising.
Thank you very much, and good luck, and hope it won't rain for you.
All right, appreciate it.
For more videos of this type, please subscribe to my channel.
MrBalerdash.